Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw Rolls Royce Cullinan step by step. Begin by sketching a long rectangle for the body and a smaller box for the cabin, keeping proportions simple. Add a vertical centerline for symmetry, then mark wheel positions and roofline. Keep strokes light and check overall balance before refining edges. Stay relaxed and patient, and remember every great drawing starts with basic shapes. Warm up your hand and focus on accurate wheel placement to support the car visually. Sketch wheel arches and rims, then refine the tires with tread suggestion only. Lightly draw the grille shape and headlight housings, keeping proportions consistent with the cabin. Map door seams and mirror mounts with simple lines before detailing. Work slowly and check symmetry, often to keep the Rolls Royce Cullinan looking balanced and elegant in form. If this walkthrough is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading reference material and sketch inspiration, and pairs nicely with coffee breaks between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now ease into refinement with a gentle touch and patient observation of light. Soften construction lines and strengthen final contours where needed, then build value with light hatching to suggest curved metal and reflections. Keep highlights crisp on chrome and glass, and avoid overdarkening areas that should appear reflective. Blend cautiously to retain texture, and step back often to view the whole drawing to ensure shading reads naturally and preserves the vehicle's regal presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.